Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. It's a rainy day, but that doesn't mean you have to cancel your travel plans. Today, I've got 7 essential tips to make your rainy day travel a breeze. Let's dive in. First up, decide your travel destination carefully. Some places are more enjoyable in the rain. Think lush green landscapes, cozy cafes, and vibrant city life. Research and pick a spot that's still beautiful and fun when wet. Next, choose the right time to travel. Avoid peak rainy seasons if possible. Check the weather forecasts and plan your trip when there's a good mix of sunshine and showers. This way, you can enjoy the rain without getting soaked constantly. Maintaining your health is crucial. Rain and cold can weaken your immune system, so load up on vitamins and stay hydrated. Carry a small umbrella, a waterproof jacket, and some extra socks to keep yourself dry and warm. Speaking of staying dry, prepare extra paraphernalia. Waterproof bags, Ziploc pouches for your gadgets, and quick-dry towels are lifesavers. These small items can save your day when the heavens open up. Don't forget your essential medications. Rainy weather can sometimes trigger allergies or colds. Pack your regular meds, some cough drops, and maybe some herbal tea bags. Being prepared keeps you comfortable and ready to explore. It's also wise to avoid transit during heavy rainfall. Roads can get slippery and public transport might be delayed. Plan to stay in one place during heavy showers and use that time to relax and enjoy indoor activities. Lastly, choose warm cuisines. There's nothing like a steaming bowl of soup or a hot cup of tea to beat the rainy day blues. Explore local comfort foods that warm you up from the inside out. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. And there you have it, folks. 7 tips to make your rainy day travels unforgettable. So, pack your bags, embrace the rain, and make some amazing memories. Happy travels. Chowdhree'sTravel. P.